For over 50 years, A&L Septic Service has helped homeowners and businesses across central and southern New Jersey keep their septic systems running the right way. From cleaning and pumping to repairs, installations, restorations, and maintenance, we deliver dependable service backed by experience, family values, and a reputation built since 1971. A septic system works best when it is properly maintained. When warning signs start to show, like slow drains, odors, gurgling sinks, fluctuating toilet levels, wet spots in the yard, or water backing up through the plumbing, it is time to call the professionals. A&L Septic provides full septic solutions, including septic tanks, seepage tanks, holding tanks, cesspools, new line installation, disposal field restoration, grease trap pumping and treatment, high-pressure jetting, bacteria treatments, and more. Whether the job is residential, municipal, or commercial, our team is ready to help with personal service and honest solutions. We proudly serve Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Monmouth, and Ocean counties, and all repairs and replacements are guaranteed. When you need septic service you can count on, trust the team that has been keeping New Jersey flowing smoothly for generations. Call A&L Septic today or visit us at www.alseptic.com.